Okay, now we are going to discuss about the exercise 1.3. In exercise 1.3, first all of you see the question number 1, answer the following questions. In answer the following questions, first A I am going to explain here. A. So, find the integers whose product is minus 1 is 20. I am going to explain A. Find the integer whose product with minus 1 is 72. Here the question is, when we are multiplying with any number to minus 1, then we have to find, then we will get the 72 as answer. So, I am going to write here minus 1 into dash is equal to 72. Here question asking like this. So, when we will get the minus 72 as answer, here 1 is there. In what number should be multiplied with 1, then we will get 72. So, 72 must be multiplied to the 1. Here minus 1 is there. Minus 1 here, here plus is there actually. We didn't wrote any symbol here. So, that minus into plus, minus will be there. So, we must get plus as answer. We must get plus 72 as answer. Then here minus 1 is there, means we have to write minus 72. Then only we will get my plus 72 as answer. So, okay, this is the explanation about this sum. Okay, next one. I have to do the remaining sums here in this Roman. So, now I am going to explain about the second question. So, second question, what will be the sign of the product of if A? What will be the sign for the product of 11 negative integers and 6 positive integers? Here, how many negative integers? 11 negative integers and 6 positive integers are there. So, what will be the answer for 11 negative integers? So, here 11 negative integers means 11 is an odd number. I am going to do 3 negative integers here first. 3 negative integers, first negative minus negative, negative into negative. So, minus into minus will become plus, again plus into another minus is there. So, and plus into minus will become minus. So, 2 integers are there means 2 negative integers only are there means, so minus into minus it will become plus. 3 integers are there means 3 negative integers are there means minus into minus into minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 4 means plus, 5 means minus, 6 means plus. So, even number of negative integers are there means we will get positive integer as an answer. Odd number of negative integers are there means it will become negative integer as the answer. We will get the negative integer of answer. So, here 11 negative integers are there means we will get negative integer as answer. Here 6 positive integers are there. So, 6 positive integers always the positive. When we are multiplying any number of positive integers mean we will get positive integer as answer. When we are multiplying any number of negative positive integers means we will get positive integer as answer. So, here 6 positive integers will become positive integer only. So, when we are multiplying these 2 integers, so 1 negative into 1 positive means we will get always negative integer as answer. So, here in the question, second question, what this question is asking by, when we are multiplying 11 negative integers and 6 positive integers, what we will get the answer. So, negative, we will get the negative integer as answer. Next, we are going to discuss about the third one. So, third question we are going to discuss. In the third question, find the product of following. So, third A. So, when we are multiplying 2 integers here, 2 integers are 3 into minus 8 are given in the question. So, when we are multiplying 2 integers means first we have to multiply the symbols. So, here what is the symbol for 3? Plus is there. So, plus into minus, minus 3 8 ja 24. We got minus 24 as answer. Next, I am going to explain B sum here. In B sum, minus 15 into minus 4 are given here in the question. So in the question A, you can observe one positive integer and one negative integer are given. We got negative integer as an answer. So here two integers are negative integers are given. So 2 is even number. So even number of negative integers are there means we will get positive integer as an answer. So I am going to write the question again here. Into minus 4 is equal to minus into minus plus 5 14 5 15 4 jar 60. 15 4 jar 60. So like this we can do. Remaining sums all of you try yourself, and I am going to explain about the fourth question. In fourth question, simplify the following. Simplify means here also you have to do the multiplication, but here more than 2 numbers are given, we have to multiply more than 2 numbers. How to multiply? So first A sum I am going to explain here. Here in the question minus 1 into here in the question minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4 are given. So here when we are multiplying more than 2 numbers, what we have to do first? We have to group the every 2 numbers. First we have to group every 2 numbers, then we have to multiply like that. So here first we have to group these 2 numbers, minus 1 into minus 2 as one group and minus 3 into minus 4 as one group. So first you have to multiply the first group of numbers. Here what are the first group of numbers? Minus 1 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 1 2 is 2 into here minus 3 and minus 4 are here. Minus 4 and minus into minus plus and 4 3 is 12 we got here. So here two positive integers are there means we will get the positive integer as answer. 2 12 is 24 will be the answer. Okay. So all of you understood this question, and next I am going to enter into the C question. C. In the C question, what is the question is given like this: 7 minus 5 into 9 minus 10. 7 minus 5 into 9 minus 10. 5 into 9 minus 10, we have to find the difference of this number 9 and 10, and then we have to multiply with 5, then we have to subtract from 7, like that. So for that we have to put bracket from here 5 into 9 minus 10, like that you have to put bracket. And next here 7 minus 5 into, here 9 is small number and 10 is big number. We have to subtract the big number from the small. So first we have to find the difference of 9 and 10. What is the difference of 9 and 10? 1. Big number have negative symbol, that's why you have to put negative symbol for the answer. So here close the bracket like this, and 7 minus 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5, here minus 2 plus, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus 5 ones are 5. So here 7 minus into minus plus 5, 7 plus 5, 12 will be the answer. I have to do like this.